Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive right into the main purpose of this video. For those of you who don't know how to carve your brows, or those of you who go to the salon and pay to get your brows done but end up with funny looking brows, this video is for you. First, you'll be needing your spoolie. This is the one I have though, but if you have the normal one, you can go to any cosmetic shop and get your spoolie. Your pencil. Why I'm making use of the pencil is because this video is for beginners, like people that don't know how to carve their brows at all. This video is for you, so you'll be needing a pencil. But me, I'll be making use of the black one so that you see what I'm doing. People that are already professionals, they don't need to make use of the pencil. It's just to make use of their spoolie to brush their eyebrows and make use of their razor blade to remove the excess hairs. But for the main purpose of this video, you're going to make use of the pencil. The next you're going to make use of is your edge control. This is to lay the brows down. You're also going to make use of the Vaseline. When you've made use of your edge control to lay your brows down, you use the Vaseline to rub under your eyebrows. You also be needing your razor blades. That's the main, your gap pata of them, or you're making use of your razor blade. You can make use of it as it's full or you break it, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be breaking the razor blade. And lastly, this one is optional, to make use of your micellar water. It's optional because if you're doing your eyebrows before you take your bath, there is no need. So once you're already done, you just go into the shower and take your bath. Or if you're doing it after you've already taken your bath and everything, you're going to make use of your micellar water to clean everything and also remove germs. So we are going to start. I have my mirror here that I'll be looking at. I'll be making use of the pencil to mark my points here, and for you to draw the tail or make the tail marking, you're going to follow the upper lid, not the lower lid. That's what you're going to do, and you do same up. Don't worry, you're going to see how I'm going to do it, so you just follow through. Enough of the talking. I'm going to go in with the gel to lay the brows down. If you have thin eyebrows, follow this my routine, because you're not going to shave everything. At the end of the day, what you need is just to fill in. That's when you want to draw your eyebrows for makeup. You see the extra hairs that are outside the line? That's what you're going to take out. I'm breaking it. The main purpose of the Vaseline is to let the razor glide through so that you don't have any cuts. You're going to take the razor right under where you've drawn or outlined the brows. That's where you're going to clear. Some just follow according to the line. Whatever you're doing, ensure is that line. Don't go below it. You go over again and do your finishing touches. We'll go over to this brow. You see these hairs here? That's what we are taking out. Ensure you do finishing touches before you use your micellar water to wipe off. Voila, we are done. I'm going to wipe it off so that you're going to see how it looks. I hope you learned one or two from this video, so you're not going to end up with weird looking brows anymore. And see it. Don't you like it? Wait, I don't have plenty brows, but with this thing now, it has helped. So when you want to do your makeup and draw your eyebrows, you're just going to fill in. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos.